Knowing the size and the location of your map are the two key requirements to start mapping. There are two simple ways that let you define the desired area of your map. Either start scrolling towards the area with your mouse wheel, or use these buttons here on the right hand side. Additionally, you can work with the mouse to pan and drag the map into the desired area. The alternative is searching by typing the location's name. Using the search bar up here, you can search, for example, for a city name. The more details you provide using the search bar, the more narrow those search results are filtered. By clicking on one of the results, the tool zooms automatically to the area. This black frame that you see here defines the total map dimension. You can change these in the export menu here in the fourth step by selecting a different preset, or by simply changing the values and the units. We'll cover all of the output and download related topics later in this playlist.